In this video, we'll show you how to change the grille assembly on your Nissan Altima. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Nissan Altima safely. In order to change the grille assembly on your vehicle, you will need to remove the front bumper cover to have full access. Using a fork, remove the 10 holding rivets. Then remove the cover. Start with the driver's side. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and a 10mm socket, unscrew the upper bumper cover retaining bolt. Lift up the textile cover. Next, using a ratchet and a 10mm socket, unscrew the plastic bumper cover bracket retaining bolt. Unscrew the upper bolt on the passenger side. Then, using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the plastic rivet from the washer pump fluid reservoir hole on the bumper cover. Remove it with a fork. Then, unscrew the other plastic bracket. Then remove it. Now you need to remove the mudguard. Using a fork, remove the 3 mudguard retaining rivets. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the other 2 rivets holding the mudguard in place. Remove them with a fork. Using the Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the screw holding the bumper cover to the mudguard. Using the Phillips screwdriver and the fork, unscrew the rivet holding the splash shield in place. You can now pull back the mudguard. Repeat this step on the other side. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and a 10mm socket, unscrew the 5-engine splash shield retaining bolts. Remove the power connector from the fog light bulb. To do this, push on the tab and pull on the connector. Using needle nose pliers and a fork, remove the 2 cable retaining clips on the bumper cover. Remove the power connector from the turn signal bulb socket. Next, using a ratchet, an extender, and a 10mm socket, loosen the screw holding the bumper cover to the fender. Pull the bumper cover out of its slot. Repeat the same steps on the other side of the bumper cover. Then pull it out to the front to disengage the locating pins from their housings in the front fenders. The front bumper cover is now free. You can remove it, preferably with help from a second person. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the 7 bolts holding the grille assembly in place. Then, disengage the grille from the bumper cover by pushing the 10 retaining tabs. Using the flathead screwdriver, pry apart the 3 Nissan emblem retaining tabs. Remove the emblem. You can order the grille used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new grille. Place the Nissan emblem on the new grille assembly. Put the grille assembly back in place. Then retighten the screws. Put the front bumper cover back in place. Then reinsert the bumper cover onto the fender. Screw the 2 upper bumper cover retaining bolts back on. Clip the bumper cover back into the side bumper cover retainer. From the wheel arch, screw the bumper cover retaining screw back onto the fender. Repeat this step on the other side. Put the plastic bumper cover bracket back in place and screw it back on. Repeat this step on the other side. Then, put the washer pump fluid reservoir retaining rivet back in place. Put the radiator support cover back in place. Then, put the rivets back in place. Put the splash shield back in place. Then, screw the bolts back on. Then put the rivets back in place. Reconnect the turn signal's power connectors. Then reattach the clips. Reconnect the fog light's power connectors. Put the mudguard back in place. Then put the rivets back in place. Run the splash shield through the bumper cover. Then retighten the retaining screw. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put the car back on the ground and block the wheels properly. Operation complete.